Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best outdoor gates is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked additions to any home's exterior, offering a crucial blend of security, privacy, and aesthetic appeal for your outdoor spaces. Whether you're looking to keep pets and children safe within your yard, deter unwanted visitors, or simply enhance the overall curb appeal of your property, selecting the right outdoor gate can make a significant difference in both functionality and visual harmony. This review will guide you through the top options available, ensuring you find a durable, stylish, and practical solution that perfectly complements your home's unique character and meets your specific needs for peace of mind and enhanced outdoor living. Number 5. Carlson 28 Extra Tall Super Wide Dog Gate. Tired of gates that don't fit your extra wide doorways? We have the perfect solution for you. This gate is designed to accommodate those challenging openings. Its freestanding design offers flexibility and convenience. Easily adjusted to fit openings from 40 to 70 inches wide. No tools or complicated installation required. Crafted from durable wood, this gate provides a reliable barrier for your pets. It's built to last and keep your furry friends safe. Perfect for securing doorways and hallways, it creates a safe space for your pets. Keep them contained while maintaining the aesthetic of your home. This versatile gate is suitable for pets at all life stages. Whether you have a puppy or an older dog, it provides the security you need. What we like. This gate is perfect for those with exceptionally wide openings. If you have an extra large doorway or hallway that standard gates can't cover, this is your solution. Its freestanding design means no complicated installation, making it ideal for quick setup and versatile placement. What people say. The gate is sturdy and well-made, perfect for keeping my dog contained in the yard. Easy to install and adjust, it fits perfectly on my porch steps. The design is sleek and modern, complementing the exterior of my house. Number 4. 55 Wide Retractable Baby Gate, White. Keep your little ones safe with our extra-wide retractable baby gate. It provides a secure barrier up to 55 inches wide, perfect for large openings. Designed to prevent crawling under, this gate ensures your child stays within safe areas. The sturdy construction offers reliable protection. Use it anywhere you need it. This versatile gate is suitable for both indoor and outdoor spaces like doorways, decks, porches, and patios. The durable mesh material is built to last, providing a safe and secure enclosure for your toddlers. It's easy to see through while keeping them contained. When not in use, it conveniently retracts, saving you space and making it easy to manage. Enjoy peace of mind with this practical safety solution. Its clean white finish complements any home decor. This gate offers both safety and style for your family. What we like. Need a gate that disappears when not in use? This retractable option offers a wide coverage area and can be used both inside and out. If you're looking for a flexible barrier for decks, patios, or doorways that doesn't take up permanent space, this is a great choice. What people say. The gate is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for keeping my dog contained in the yard. Easy to install and adjust, it fits perfectly on my porch steps. The design is sleek and modern, looks great with my outdoor decor. Number 3. Adjust-A-Gate Chain Link Walk Gate Kit. Ensure your chain link gate is always perfectly aligned. This durable kit is designed to fix an existing gate or add a new entrance to any fence. It measures 1.38 inches by 70 inches by 72 inches and is designed for gate openings between 24 inch and 72. This allows for a truly custom fit for your needs. Installation is simple and can be done on-site to perfectly fit your gate opening. The telescoping frame provides the custom fit you desire. Constructed with strong, powder-coated steel, it's built to endure rust and corrosion. This ensures it holds up in any weather condition. This kit includes the steel gate frame, powder-coated chain link, a lockable latch, hinges, and steel wire ties. It provides everything you need to get started on your DIY project. What we like. This kit is designed for those who need to build or repair a chain link gate. If you're looking for a durable, customizable solution for an existing fence or a new entrance, this heavy-duty steel kit is ideal. Its adjustable nature ensures a perfect fit for various openings, making it a robust DIY project. What people say. The gate is easy to install and adjust. It is sturdy and well-made, perfect for keeping pets contained. The outdoor design is weather-resistant and durable. Number 2. Internet's best 36 3-panel freestanding dog gate. Introducing a versatile pet barrier designed for modern homes. Keep your furry friends safely contained without compromising your home's aesthetic. This freestanding gate offers a simple solution for managing your pet's access. Its clever design ensures it's easy to set up and move as needed. Crafted with both style and function in mind, it seamlessly blends into your decor. It provides a safe haven for your pets while enhancing your living space. Perfect for wider doorways and open areas, this extra-wide panel provides ample coverage. It ensures your pets stay within designated areas with ease. Designed by pet lovers, for pet lovers. We understand your needs and are committed to providing high-quality, reliable pet solutions. Rely on our experience and dedication to quality for all your pet gate requirements. Your pet's safety and your satisfaction are our top priorities. What we like. For a stylish and practical pet barrier, consider this folding wooden gate. Its multi-panel design allows it to adapt to different widths and fold away for storage. If you appreciate a blend of aesthetics and functionality for your indoor spaces, this freestanding option offers both privacy and containment. What people say. The gate is made of durable metal and has a rust-resistant coating, making it suitable for outdoor use. It features a secure locking mechanism that keeps pets and children safely contained. The gate is easy to install and adjust to fit different opening sizes. Number 1. Reinforced Retractable Dog Gate. Introducing our reinforced retractable dog gate, designed for ultimate safety and convenience. It offers a wide, secure barrier for your pets. Perfect for keeping your furry friends safe on decks or patios. This gate provides a reliable enclosure for outdoor adventures. Use it indoors to create a safe space for your pets. Its retractable design makes it easy to manage doorways and open areas. Crafted with a durable mesh, it ensures visibility while keeping pets contained. It's built to last for everyday use. When not in use, it retracts smoothly for easy storage. Enjoy peace of mind with this practical pet containment solution. This versatile gate is suitable for both dogs and cats. It provides a safe and effective way to manage your pet's access. What we like. This reinforced retractable gate offers a generous width and added stability with its support strip. If you need a secure, wide barrier for outdoor areas like decks or patios, and want the convenience of it retracting out of the way, this is an excellent option. It's built for durability and ease of use. What people say. The gate is made of sturdy metal and has a nice powder-coated finish that resists rust. It was easy to install and adjust to fit my porch opening perfectly. The latch mechanism is secure and keeps my dog from getting out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.